Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to sort by column. So as example I will type in it like you can type 2001, the next 2005, 2002, 2003 and the next 2004. Now if you want to sort by column, you can select like at this row, right click and then go to sort. We can use the custom sort. The next, you can go to the option and then you can change sort left to right. Click OK. And the next you can choose for the sort by. It will be show only this row 5. And then you can set for the order from small to large. Click OK. And it will be automatically sort by column. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Excel tutorial. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.